Before we begin, this video is general health education, not personal medical advice. Ever notice some people recover faster from sleep deprivation than others? It's not just willpower, it's how your body adapts. Sleep deprivation happens when you get less sleep than your unique needs, disrupting brain function, mood, and immunity. While genetics or lifestyle may help some bounce back quicker, others struggle because their bodies haven't adjusted yet. There's no quick fix. Rest is key, but sticking to a consistent sleep schedule can ease the process. Sleep isn't just downtime, it's when your brain and body clean up. During deep sleep, your brain flushes out harmful waste, like beta-amyloid, a sticky protein linked to memory and brain health. Meanwhile, your immune system releases cytokines to fight infections and repair tissues. Skipping sleep slows these processes, leaving you mentally foggy and more prone to illness. Sleep deprivation disrupts your brain's natural processes linked to memory and weakens immunity by reducing cytokines proteins that fight infections. Some people adapt faster due to genetics or lifestyle, while others struggle as their bodies adjust. Over time, this can impact long-term health. The research is still uncovering these effects. Ever notice how some people bounce back after a sleepless night while others feel exhausted? It's not just willpower, it's science. Genetic differences can affect how your brain adapts to sleep loss, making recovery faster for some. Lifestyle factors like regular exercise and a balanced diet also play a role by strengthening your body's resilience. However, these adaptations vary widely, so some people adjust quickly while others struggle. Ever wonder why some people bounce back quickly after losing sleep while others feel like they're running on empty? It's not just about willpower, it's science. Genetic differences can affect how your brain adapts to sleep loss. For example, some people naturally produce more cytokines, proteins that fight infections, even when sleep-deprived. Lifestyle factors also play a role. Regular exercise and a balanced diet support faster recovery by strengthening your body's resilience. However, these adaptations vary widely. Some people adjust quickly, while others struggle because their bodies haven't adapted yet. Small lifestyle changes can help your body recover faster from sleep deprivation. Exercise like a brisk walk or jog increases resilience, supporting immune function and overall health, though it won't fully replace sleep. Staying hydrated keeps your brain sharp, reducing fatigue, while nutrient-rich foods like salads provide energy for recovery. These habits don't eliminate sleep loss, but help your body adapt better when rest is limited. You might think caffeine can fully replace sleep, but it can't. While a cup of coffee can temporarily boost alertness by blocking adenosine, a chemical that makes you feel tired, it doesn't address your brain's deeper need for rest. Over-the-counter pain relievers, like ibuprofen or acetaminophen, may help with headaches caused by sleep loss, but they don't fix the underlying fatigue. Always follow label instructions and consult a pharmacist if unsure. About dosage. Lifestyle habits, like staying hydrated and eating balanced meals, can support your body's recovery, but they're not substitutes for sleep. If you're struggling with chronic sleep deprivation like feeling exhausted no matter how much caffeine you drink, or if your mood swings are making daily life tough, it's time to talk to a doctor. Sleep issues can sometimes signal bigger health problems, like sleep disorders, e.g., insomnia or sleep apnea, that need professional care. Before your visit, jot down symptoms, like when fatigue hits, what worsens it, any medications you take, and questions about how sleep loss affects your body. This helps doctors tailor advice safely, whether it's lifestyle tweaks or further testing. Never self-diagnose. Always check with a healthcare provider. Science hasn't cracked the code on how sleep deprivation recovery works yet. We know lifestyle tweaks like hydration and balanced meals can help your body cope, but they don't replace sleep. If you're exhausted no matter what, it's time to talk to a doctor. Bring notes, symptoms, when they start, what makes them worse, all medications, and questions about how sleep loss affects you. This helps doctors tailor safe advice, whether it's lifestyle changes or testing for conditions like insomnia or sleep apnea. Never self-diagnose. Always check with a healthcare provider. If you're struggling to recover from sleep deprivation, small lifestyle tweaks can help, but they won't replace sleep. Stay hydrated and eat balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs to support your body's recovery. Over-the-counter, OTC, medicines like pain relievers or allergy meds are safe for short-term use if you follow the label instructions carefully. If fatigue persists no matter what you try, it's important to talk to a doctor. They can help rule out underlying issues and guide you towards safer, evidence-based strategies. Long-term sleep deprivation isn't just about fatigue. It can harm your brain, heart, and immune system. It weakens memory, slows reaction time, and increases risks for conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes. Lifestyle changes, like staying hydrated or eating balanced meals, help but won't fix the problem without proper sleep. If fatigue persists, see a doctor. They'll review your symptoms, medications, and health history to create a safe, personalized plan ensuring you get the care you need. Sleep deprivation isn't just about feeling tired. It can affect your brain, heart, and immune system over time. Chronic sleep loss weakens memory, slows reaction time, and may raise risks for conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes. While lifestyle tweaks like staying hydrated or eating balanced meals can help support recovery, they won't replace the need for sleep. If fatigue persists no matter what you try, it's important to talk to a doctor. They'll review your symptoms, medications, and health history to guide safe, evidence-based strategies tailored to you. Being prepared with lists of allergies, medicines, and questions can make your visit more effective. Remember, this is general health education, not personal medical advice. For individual guidance,